Hello, it's GameMan1219 here, and I'm going to be making GameMan1219-01, though I changed it because somebody already had my name. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make my I don't know what I call it, I'm just going to call it a semi-shotgun, something. Give you a close-up on it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Sorry about the eyeball, I can't really find it. Just got that, little targeter. Put this in here so I can. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make it. So just give me 1 second and I'll be right with you, people. With the other end. Right now, enjoy this footage of my Lego guy. Okay, just give me 1 second. If the video stops, there'll be a second one, don't worry. I'll just remake the video without the things on it. I'm thinking it won't stop, and I'm making this on my mom's camera. It's not like one of those big cameras. I'm making it on my mom's camera because my camera takes it only takes like 30 minutes. My mom's takes like 10 minutes of footage. If you see the Lego pieces out there, just don't worry. It just means that I push it out. Okay, I'll just take them apart as we go. Right now. I really don't want to waste my time just taking my stupid Lego apart. Okay, I might have forgot how to make it. Don't worry. I'll just speak it. Oh, and that Lego guy, I'm making a Lego movie, and he'll be in it. But, it's gonna be cool. It's just Lego type objective gun test. Okay. Then just move over all the Legos that I will be using. A few of them weren't in this thing because I have all my Legos near me. There's more in my closet over there. Okay. This is how you make it. You're going to have to take these pads. It is it's a 12 by 4 piece. Okay. And then you're going to take 2 4 by 2 pieces and hook them on like that. Sorry, I put the camera down because I can't hold it and make it at the same time. And you're going to need one of these, put it there, one of those, put it there, and then take one more of these, put it there, and then I'll just put that there, and take a 3 piece. It's a 3 by 2 piece. So now your gun should look like that. That's how it goes. Okay? You have it like that. And then now you're going to take a 14 by 2 piece, put on the end, be any color. Try that. Okay. This is my first YouTube video, so sorry if it's bad or something and stuff. Oh, and if the creative pizza movies out there, love their vids. Okay. The gun should look like that now. So then, now you could take, sorry, that fell in front. Don't take one of them. Now, it looks like that. Okay. I forgot how to make this, sorry. So I'm just going to make a little on to the handle. Going to need one of these 4 pieces like this. Put it right back here in the back. And then you're going to take one more of those, put them right there. Then you just take one of these 3 pieces. It might be hard to stick them on, so sorry. You know, if anything happens with this gun, I'm not responsible. Just watch that. Okay, now it looks like that. And then you just keep on building it and building it. So it looks like that. I'll just have to build it a little bit more. Oh no, how much film this has, because it doesn't tell you. Okay, you get the point. Just keep on building it until it's your size. Okay. So then you take one of this piece, these pieces. Okay, look like that. And you take piece like that. Now wait. Take a piece like that. No, one of those pieces without those. You take another one of those. There. Then you take those and then put it right there. You take a normal brick. Sorry, I had the snuffles. Yeah, I'm just a kid making these. Yes. And so it's look like that. So keep that space in there. Take one of these pieces and then you stick there, stick it in right there, hook it on so it's even like that. Okay, so then you put one of those pieces on. Sorry, make margin license. Oh. Maybe we'll have some. And just fill up that spot with any type of Lego bricks. Okay, now done. Looks like that.